Now, something important to understand about Onyxchain wallet is that Onyxchain uses what we'll call a dual token. So in our Onyxchain blockchain, we have the coin Onyxcoin, and then we have actually another one called OXG, which is Onyx Gas. Now, for any transaction you do, you need Onyx Gas. Now that means that if, for example, I wanted to send Onyx coins, then obviously I need Onyx Gas to be able to do it. Any transaction on Onyxchain is 0.01 Onyx Gas. Now you can buy Onyx Gas from Onyxcoin. So one Onyx Gas is 10 Onyx coin. But now what you need to understand is that as long as you keep some Onyx coin on your wallet, Onyx will actually accumulate Onyx Gas periodically. So if you left your Onyx coins on your wallet, then what you'll understand is that some Onyx Gas will actually start accumulating. Now that what accumulates comes here in what we call the unbound Onyx Gas. So you can actually unbound them. If you do that, now you can see whatever was unbound now is here. That is now is available here for transactions. So now it means then if you have Onyx coin and you don't have Onyx Gas and you want to actually buy Onyx Gas from Onyx coin, that transaction cannot go through because you need Onyx Gas to do any transaction. So this is actually the rule. If you have Onyx coins and you don't have Onyx Gas, what you need to do is that you need to tell somebody to send you some Onyx Gas. One Onyx Gas will be enough for you to be able to do a transaction. Anytime you're doing a transaction, you need 0.01 of Onyx Gas. You can see here that any transaction that happens here, 0.01 of OXG is actually consumed. But you don't have to worry about buying Onyx Gas, simply because as long as you have some Onyx in your Onyx chain wallet, then you will continue accumulating OXG. Thank you for watching.